Angel numbers. Welcome to an exciting journey into the world of angel numbers. Today, we'll explore the intriguing meanings behind these divine messages from the spiritual realm. So, buckle up, and let's dive into the world of angelic guidance and discover the powerful meanings that lie behind these mystical numerical sequences. Have you ever seen a number repeatedly throughout your day and wondered if it has a hidden meaning? If so, you might be experiencing angel numbers. These are unique sequences of numbers that carry divine guidance, sent by the angels to help us navigate our lives with love, clarity, and purpose. One of the most well-known angel numbers is 111. This powerful number signifies new beginnings, manifestation, and leadership. Seeing this sequence often indicates that it's time to take charge of your life and turn your dreams into reality. Embrace your creative potential and make your mark on the world. Another fascinating angel number is 222, which represents balance, harmony, and partnerships. It encourages you to cultivate healthy relationships and seek equilibrium in all aspects of life. Trust that everything is happening for a reason, and the universe is working to bring harmony into your life. The angel number 333 is a reminder of your connection to the divine and the spiritual realm. This number signifies creativity, spiritual growth, and self-expression. Embrace your true self and unleash your creative potential to make a positive impact on the world around you. Do you often see the number 444? If so, you're in luck. This angel number is a powerful sign of protection, guidance, and support from the spiritual realm. It assures you that you're on the right path, and the angels are watching over you, providing strength and encouragement during challenging times. Next up is the angel number 555, a symbol of change, transformation, and personal growth. This number suggests that significant shifts are on the horizon, and you should be open to embracing new experiences and opportunities. Trust in the universe and your spiritual guides to lead you through these changes with grace and ease. The angel number 666 is often misunderstood, but fear not. This number is all about balance, self-reflection, and personal growth. It encourages you to take a step back and assess your life, ensuring that you're making choices that align with your highest self and spiritual purpose. Now, let's talk about the angel number 777. This magical number is a sign of spiritual awakening, divine wisdom, and intuitive insights. It invites you to deepen your spiritual practice, trust your inner guidance, and listen to the whispers of your soul. The powerful angel number 888 signifies abundance, prosperity, and success. It reminds you that you are deserving of all the blessings coming your way and encourages you to maintain a positive mindset to attract even more abundance into your life. Last but not least, let's discuss the angel number 999. This number is a symbol of completion, closure, and the end of a significant chapter in your life. It invites you to embrace new beginnings, release the past, and trust in the divine plan unfolding before you. In conclusion, angel numbers are powerful signs from the spiritual realm, guiding us through life's many twists and turns. By understanding their meanings, we can take comfort in knowing that we are never alone, and the universe is always supporting us on our unique path. So, the next time you spot a recurring number sequence, remember that it could be an angel number with a special message just for you. Embrace these divine signs and let your life be guided by the love, wisdom, and support of the angelic realm. Thank you for joining us on this mystical journey through the world of angel numbers. May their meanings inspire you and illuminate your path as you continue to grow and evolve on your spiritual journey.